Get acquainted with the 2014 Ford Escape. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 200,000 miles on the odometer. Take a closer look at this comfortable and capable Escape. This compact SUV is your calm, capable refuge in a hectic world. Designed to be family-friendly with a can-do heart, its technology protects, connects, and entertains, so you can relax and enjoy its comfortable, responsive ride. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, power liftgate, fog lamps, dual zone AC, power driver seat, electronic stability control, heated front seat memory, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system. Take the stress antidote. Get into this comfortable, capable Escape. Relax and enjoy the journey. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.